A pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. Now, children, look at the following sentences. Sarah and Rani are best friends. Sarah and Rani always play together. Now, children, in the second sentence, Sarah and Rani is repeated again. So, what you can do is, instead of Sarah and Rani, you can write they. They is a pronoun. So, they is a word which we are using instead of a noun. So, let us see the sentence. Sarah and Rani are best friends. They always play together. Now, children, how will you differentiate between the subject and the object? Let us see. The subject of a sentence is a person or thing doing the action. The object of a sentence is the person or thing receiving the action. Let us see an example. Jamal is reading a book. Here Jamal is doing the action, so it is a subject pronoun. And book is an object because it is receiving the action. Now children, let us see. Subject pronouns, they perform actions in the sentence. Now examples are I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Examples. They are reading books. Here they are subject pronouns. She is playing cricket. Here she is subject pronoun. We are having lunch. Here we is subject pronoun. Now object pronoun are the words which receive an action. Example. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Examples. Tina bought him a pen. Him is an object pronoun. Father gave me a watch. Me is the object pronoun. Grandma will tell us a story. Us is the object pronoun. Now children, this is the list of subject pronoun and object pronoun. Let us see the singular subject pronoun. I, you, he, she, it. Plural subject pronouns are we, you, they. Singular object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it. And plural object pronouns are us, you, them. Children, open your IMAX workbook. Come to module 4. Open page number 32. You have to write the sentence dictation in your workbook. The first sentence. The police woman is near the traffic light. The rabbits eat guavas and grapes. Third, the chef used tomatoes, onions and potatoes for the dish. Fourth, the elephant has a long trunk. Fifth one, I saw a tiger at the zoo. Children, write this sentence neatly. Children, let us do the exercise 2.1. Fill in the missing letters and complete the names of the pictures. Now first one, what you can see, it is a peanut. So write here P-E-A-N-U-T-S, peanuts. Second picture is squirrel. Children, you like to see squirrel, right? S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Let us see the next picture. What is this, children? It is a forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Next picture. It is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Next picture is the children are wearing the winter dress, winter sweater. So what is it? Which weather is this? Which climate? It is winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R. Now here balloons. We use balloon to decorate our home. No, wild party. So balloons. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. Come to exercise 2.2. What is this picture, children? First picture, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Second picture, see the arrow? He is a short monkey. So write here S-H-O-R-T. Short. These are leaves. Leaves, leaves. And here it is a light, Light, light. Fifth picture, children are playing. So here you will write Play. Sixth picture, crayons, Crayons, crayons. Children, let us do exercise 3.1. State if the underlined pronouns are subject pronoun or object pronouns. First one is already done. Second one, it bit me hard. Now here, it is a subject pronoun. Why, children? Because it is a word which is doing an action. So here you will write subject pronoun. The third one, you like to eat ice cream. Here, you is a word which is doing an action. So, it is subject pronoun. Let us see fourth example. I do not know that. Here, I is a word which is doing an action. So, you will write subject pronoun. Your fifth sentence, the teacher did not call him. Here, him is a word which is receiving an action. So, you will write your object pronoun. We are very happy to hear that. So, your we is a word which is doing an action. So, we is an subject pronoun. Now children, let us see this exercise 3.2. Rewrite the sentences with the correct object pronouns for the underlined nouns. Now one is already done. Second one, mother read a story to Poonam and Shreya. So what you will write here, children? Mother read a story to them. The clown did a trick for the students. What you will write here, children, instead of the students? Them. The clown did a trick for them. My dog came with the bone to the garden. Instead of the bone, you will write it. My dog came with it to the garden. Let us see the next sentence. Sentence fifth, the teacher gave Ayaz a new book. The teacher gave him a new book. Instead of Ayaz, you will use him. Sixth sentence, the baker gave Bhumi and me a cake. Instead of Bhumi and me, you will use us. The baker gave us a cake. Now children, these are the words with subject and object pronoun. Or one is already done for you. You have to replace the underlined words with subject and object pronoun. Okay? Children, this is your homework. Children, this is also your homework, page number 40. Here what you have to do is identify this picture, nicely watch it, what is given in this picture, and you have to fill in these blanks properly, and you have to write a paragraph over here. Based on this picture, you have to write a paragraph. So this is also an homework. Next page. Page number 42, picture reading. Children, look at this picture carefully and you have to fill in these blanks. Options are given to you. Observe this picture nicely and then fill in this blank. This is also your homework. Page number 42 and 43. And page number 44. You have to choose the option, correct option from here and to enter here.